What's up, guys? This is JFH here with another review on the Condor knee pads on evite.com. And yeah, these Condor knee pads they look small on camera, but they're actually huge. Like, these are my knees right here, my knees, and then like compare it, like this is my leg and my knee, my thigh, and it's freaking huge. The adjustment system is actually rather complicated, or rather not if you have these knee pads before. But yeah, these knee pads are huge. I got them in ACU, Condor, and yeah, I'll put them on. It might take a while, and I'll sit you guys right here. Yeah, sit you guys right there. Put them on. Alright guys, I have them on finally, and this is what they look like. Boom. Put these over your BDU, ACU BDU. But yeah, these knee pads, see, I'm bending my knee right now. They stay in place. And for the smaller guys out there, this wouldn't work. This doesn't fit me rather well. But luckily, I'm getting some BDUs that have integrated knee pads. And yeah, that's it. Just need to show you a little bit more. Just take them off right now. And then you just slide them off. For me, just have to slide them off. And on the back, it's just black. It's just black in the adjustment system right here. Pretty good. Pretty good. Here's the other, if you guys wanted to see. Both of them together. Yeah, that's it for the review. I guess a little small review, but yeah, see you guys later. Bye.